Ladies, let me ask you this. When was the last time your nails truly made a statement without saying a word? Your hands are like your calling card, and the right nail design can exude class, sophistication, and timeless elegance. Today, we're diving into the world of elegant nail designs, the kind that instantly elevate your look and leave a lasting impression. Whether you're heading to a black tie event, a romantic dinner, or just looking to feel more polished every day, these designs will have you covered. Oh, and before we get started, let me remind you about our must-have resource, our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. It's packed with tips on everything from wardrobe essentials to mastering an elegant aura. And yes, that includes how your nails play into your overall style. Make sure to grab your copy and elevate every aspect of your look. Now, let's dive in. 1. Classic French tips. Timeless, versatile, and undeniably chic, the classic French manicure is the epitome of elegance. With a natural pink or nude base and pristine white tips, this design pairs beautifully with any outfit and occasion. To modernize the look, consider experimenting with a softer almond shape or a glossy finish that reflects light subtly. Pro tip: for added sophistication, opt for an off-white tip instead of stark white. It gives a softer, more refined feel. And if you're looking for something unique, try a reverse French tip where the white line frames the base of the nail instead of the edge. 2. Sheer nude nails. When in doubt, nude nails are your go-to. A sheer nude shade flatters every skin tone, elongates your fingers, and offers a clean, minimalist look. This design is perfect for the woman who wants her nails to whisper elegance, not shout it. Pro tip: look for nudes with a slight shimmer or glossy top coat for added depth. If you're feeling adventurous, a subtle gold or silver accent nail can elevate the look without being overpowering. Quick reminder: our ebook covers more tips on how small details, like your nails, contribute to an overall elegant image. Download it today to uncover the secrets of polished style. 3. Soft ombre nails. Ombre nails transition gracefully from one color to another, creating a dreamy gradient effect. For a sophisticated look, opt for neutral tones like blush pink fading into creamy white or soft beige into taupe. The beauty of ombre nails lies in their ability to look intricate yet understated. Pro tip: pair this look with an almond or oval nail shape to emphasize the softness of the gradient. And remember, a matte top coat can give ombre nails a velvety finish for a unique twist. 4. Pearl accents. Pearls aren't just for jewelry. They can be a stunning addition to your nails. Adding small pearl embellishments to a neutral or pastel base creates a design that's both feminine and elegant. It's ideal for weddings, formal events, or whenever you want to feel like royalty. Pro tip: less is more with pearl accents. Use them sparingly, perhaps on just 1 or 2 nails, to avoid overwhelming the design. Pair this look with dainty gold rings for a cohesive and elegant touch. 5. Metallic details. Metallic accents in gold, silver, or rose gold can instantly add a luxe touch to your nails. Whether it's a thin metallic stripe, a foil effect, or a full metallic nail paired with more subdued ones, this design radiates elegance. Pro tip: use metallics strategically, such as incorporating a single stripe down the center of each nail, or as a French tip alternative. Combine this with a matte nude base for a stunning contrast that's modern and chic. 6. Velvet nails. If you've never tried velvet nails, prepare to fall in love. This trend uses a special polish that creates a soft, velvety texture and a shimmery effect that shifts with the light. Opt for jewel tones like emerald green, deep burgundy, or sapphire blue for a regal appearance. Pro tip: keep your nail shape simple, like square or oval, to let the texture take center stage. Pair this look with a matching velvet accessory, like a clutch or shoes, for a cohesive and elevated vibe. 7. Minimalist line art. Minimalist nail designs featuring delicate line art are perfect for someone who loves clean, modern elegance. Think fine gold or white lines forming geometric patterns, abstract shapes, or even subtle florals. This design is striking yet subtle enough to wear every day. Pro tip: use a matte top coat to make the line art stand out even more. And remember, symmetry isn't necessary. A slightly imperfect design adds a touch of artistry and charm. 8. Matte black nails. Black doesn't always mean bold. Matte black nails can be incredibly elegant when done right. They're mysterious, sleek, and make a statement without being flashy. To add a touch of softness, incorporate a glossy black accent nail or a subtle metallic stripe. Pro tip: keep your nails short or medium length to maintain an elegant balance. If you're accessorizing, choose silver or gold jewelry to complement the black base. 9. Chic marble effect. Marble nails are an art form in themselves. A white or light gray base with delicate swirls of gold, silver, or darker gray mimics the natural beauty of marble. This design is timeless and exudes sophistication. Pro tip: combine marble nails with solid color nails in complementary shades for a balanced look. A glossy top coat will enhance the marble effect and make it pop. Remember, elegance is all about balance. For more tips on harmonizing your entire look, check out our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. It's your ultimate guide to building a cohesive and sophisticated wardrobe. 10. Red with a twist. Red nails are a classic symbol of power and femininity, but to add an elegant twist, choose deeper shades like burgundy, wine, or oxblood. For a modern take, consider a matte finish or subtle gold embellishments, such as a thin stripe or dot near the base of the nail. Pro tip: pair deep red nails with gold or pearl accessories for a look that screams luxury. This design works beautifully for the holiday season, formal dinners, or when you want to make a bold yet elegant statement. Your nails are more than just an accessory. They're an extension of your style and personality. By choosing designs that reflect sophistication and elegance, you're not just polishing your look, you're making an unforgettable impression. Don't forget, elegance is in the details, and mastering these details is what sets you apart. For even more tips on refining your style, download our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. It's your step-by-step roadmap to becoming the most polished version of yourself, from head to toe. So, which of these nail designs will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your most elegant life. See you in the next video.
Are you ready to rediscover your confidence and elevate your wardrobe to a whole new level of elegance? The ultimate wardrobe guide for women over 50 is here to transform the way you dress and feel. Why this ebook is a must-have. It will help simplify your style, celebrate you, and give you many outfit inspirations. It's not just fashion, it's empowerment. Don't wait to feel fabulous every day. The link to purchase is in the description. Grab your copy now and start living your most stylish life today.